Hi boys and girls, today we are going to make a gorgeous flower for our rainforest themed art show. Today you're going to be using these awesome, super fun bingo daubers, and they're going to be divided into warm colors, and some of you will be using cool colors. Warm colors are red, orange, yellow, pink. Cool colors would be greens, blues, and violets. Here's how we're going to get started. We are going to make our flowers we're going to make them have radial symmetry. So to have radial symmetry, we want to make sure that we're going to start with a mark in the middle and do the same thing going all the way around. Now, if you happen to get a bingo dauber that doesn't have any ink going yet, the good news is it comes out super easily. So I'm actually going to go ahead and just kind of give it a couple pushes. And you can see I'm already starting with a dot. So I'm going to start with a little circle right in the middle with any color bingo dauber I want. Now I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to start making some curve lines with my dauber. Did you know you can draw with these? Isn't this awesome? I'm going to go all the way around. Do the same thing going all the way around. Now I'm going to go to another color. I'm going to go ahead and go pink. Again, this one hasn't been started. So I'm just going to give it a few gentle pushes in one place and then go right over that line. And now I'm going to start making my petals getting bigger and bigger. And I'm aiming to hit the top of the next petal right in the middle. Okay, so I'm kind of going like this. And if it doesn't work out perfectly, don't worry too much about it because we're going to add many, many, many layers. All right. My next one, again, I'm going to start this off a couple times here. This one's taking a little longer. There we go. Ooh, look how pretty this orange is. I'm going to go around. If it goes off the page a little bit, that is okay. We want to try to make it fit on the paper though. Okay, so once we run out of room, we know that we're probably in a good place to stop. So now that I have my actual flower, I'm actually going to go ahead and keep using my bingo daubers to make some fun decorations, and I can color in with these shapes. So I'm going to go ahead and start adding a line. I'm just kind of thinking about what would look interesting. Right now it's kind of boring and empty, so I'm going to draw a line in the middle and do the same thing all the way around. Ooh la la, I like that. Now I haven't used any yellow yet, and I don't really have any room for my flower, but I am going to go ahead and use some yellow in other places. So I'm going to do 2 diagonal lines. Ooh, I like that. And I'm going to repeat the same thing going all the way around. Okay, I like it. Let's see what else. I have this mauve color. It's kind of like purplish. I'm going to go ahead and add a little bit more of a different color in the middle there. And I think here, I'm going to go ahead and kind of make another line just to make it a little thicker. And kind of double it up. Now, of course, these are daubers. You could daub some dots. Why not? I'm just going to add some dots kind of right around the edge. Oh, yeah, baby. This looks good. Okay. Looking good. And then I'm going to take my red. And I think I have, whoopsies. I think I'm going to go ahead and, whoa, it's kind of crazy. It has a little circle on the inside. Wasn't expecting that. And then I'm going to go ahead and color this in. So you can leave some white spaces, especially if you're adding lines in pattern, or you can focus on your design. You can even kind of use the dauber on its side to make a little bit of a thinner line if you want as well. All right. I'm going to go ahead and let this dry for just a few minutes. And then in any of the empty white spaces, we're going to go ahead and paint them in with some fluorescent paint that I have laid out for you guys. So I'm going to let this dry for just a second. And now I'm going to go ahead and get my paint.